Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're checking out the top 5 best 3D printers of 2026, perfect for beginners, hobbyists, and even professional makers. We'll cover key features, real-world performance, pros and cons, and help you decide which one is right for you. Check out the links in the description for the latest prices and deals. Let's get started. Number 1. FLASHFORGE AD5X Multicolor 3D Printer. The FLASHFORGE AD5X is a high-speed CoreXY multicolor 3D printer featuring blazing fast 600 mm per second printing, a 300-degree centigrade direct drive extruder, and one-click auto-leveling. It offers a 220 by 220 by 220 mm build volume, making it suitable for detailed and efficient printing. This printer stands out for its precision and speed, especially when handling multicolor prints. The CoreXY structure ensures stability at high speeds, while the direct drive extruder handles flexible filaments smoothly. It's ideal for creators who want fast results without sacrificing quality. Pros: extremely fast 600 mm per second printing speed, reliable CoreXY structure, multicolor printing support, easy one-click auto-leveling, excellent print accuracy. Cons: slight learning curve for beginners, smaller build volume compared to some rivals. If speed and color precision matter to you, the FLASHFORGE AD5X is a powerful and efficient choice for advanced hobbyists and professionals. Number 2. ELEGOO Centauri Carbon 3D Printer. The ELEGOO Centauri Carbon delivers 500 mm per second high-speed printing, a 320-degree centigrade high-temp nozzle, automatic calibration, and a built-in camera. It comes fully assembled with a generous 256 by 256 by 256 mm build volume. This printer is designed for users who want high-performance materials and convenience. The high-temp nozzle allows carbon fiber and engineering filaments, while the built-in camera is great for remote monitoring and time-lapse recording. Pros: high-temp 320-degree centigrade nozzle, built-in camera for monitoring, large print volume, ready to print out of the box, stable CoreXY motion system. Cons: pricier than entry-level models. Camera features depend on software support. The Centauri Carbon is an excellent pick for serious makers who want advanced materials and professional-grade features. Number 3. Creality K2SE 3D Printer. The Creality K2SE is a solidly built 500 mm per second high-speed 3D printer supporting multicolor printing via CFS, auto-leveling, a direct drive extruder, and a quick swap nozzle system. Print size is 220 by 115 by 245 mm. Creality focuses on durability and customization here. The metal frame improves stability, and the quick swap nozzle saves time when switching materials or sizes. It's a strong balance between performance and flexibility. Pros: strong all-metal construction, multicolor printing capability, fast printing speeds, quick swap nozzle design, reliable auto-leveling. Cons: multicolor system sold separately. Interface could be more beginner-friendly. The K2SE is perfect for users who want modular upgrades and reliable performance from a trusted brand. Number 4. Anycubic Kobra S1 Combo Multicolor. The Anycubic Kobra S1 Combo is a CoreXY multicolor 3D printer with 600 mm per second fast printing, sealed printing chamber, auto calibration, and a 9.8 by 9.8 by 9.8 inch build volume. Thanks to its sealed design, this printer maintains stable temperatures for consistent prints. It's excellent for precision work and multicolor projects, especially when printing complex models at high speed. Pros: very fast 600 mm per second speed, sealed chamber for consistent results, auto calibration, great for multicolor prints, stable CoreXY design. Cons: takes up more desk space, higher power consumption. The Anycubic Kobra S1 Combo is a fantastic option for creators who want speed, color accuracy, and controlled printing conditions. Number 5. Entina Tina 2 Plus V3 3D Printer. The Entina Tina 2 Plus V3 3D printer is a compact mini FDM 3D printer offering 250 millimeters per second speed, auto leveling, a spring steel build plate, and Wi-Fi connectivity. It comes fully assembled and designed for kids and beginners. This printer focuses on simplicity and ease of use. It's quiet, compact, and easy to operate, making it perfect for classrooms, beginners, or casual users who want hassle-free printing. Pros: fully assembled and beginner-friendly, compact and lightweight, auto leveling included, Wi-Fi printing support, safe and quiet operation. Cons: small build volume, not suitable for advanced materials. The Entina Tina 2 Plus V3 is ideal for beginners, kids, or anyone wanting a simple and reliable entry into 3D printing. So, that's our list of the top 5 best 3D printers of 2026. Whether you're a beginner or a professional, there's a printer here for every need and budget. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button, subscribe for more tech reviews, and check the links in the description for today's best deals. Thanks for watching.